How may I help you?
Hey, can I get some calo and some pisupo?
Okay, what was that?
Can I get one calo and two pisupos?
One big double and what?
One calo and two pisupos. He put McDouble.
I'm sorry, I can't have a hard time understanding you.
Can I have one calo and two pisupos? Hello?
So you want one big double and 200 bites?
Yeah, two pisupos. And one fatty, please.
Hold on a minute.
Dale. ¡Ay, cae!
Thank you for serving on a taco. Would you like extra much nachos?
Oh, no, thank you.
What can I get for you?
Can I get some carne asada, fries?
I'm so sorry, what was that?
Can I get some carne asada, fries?
We don't have any more of those, I think.
2 California burritos?
Sorry, we don't have any California burritos too.
You guys are a taco store, man. You guys supposed to have all the burritos in the world.
Yeah, sorry, we don't have any California burritos.
Well, then let me have a Texano, and I'll take carne asada toast to roast.
Carne asada what? I'm sorry?
Carne asada toast to roasted.
Okay.
All right, and then calo and pisupo.
Maybe you are this is a taco. Probably you are confused.
This is the taco shop, huh?
Yeah, this is a taco.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm coming to taco to you.
Okay.
So can I have a California burrito?
So sorry, no, we don't have any California burrito.
I think that's a bet.
Can I have California taco?
Neither.
Oh, ¿habla español?
Sí, sí hablo español.
Oh, bawang ngambil lo. Ya, pasoy po. Hello.
I'll be with you just one moment.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought you left me for a sec. Please don't leave me. Hello.
I won't leave you, sir.
All right, thanks. Can you just like keep me company? I just need somebody to talk to.
Order when you're ready.
Hi. Hello.
Order when you're ready.
¿Habla español?
See?
Oh, okay. Can I get a McChicken, please?
Okay.
Can I just make that like 3 McChickens?
Okay.
Por favor. ¿Cómo te llama? Hello.
¿Es todo?
Y Sao. Can,
Segunda ventana, gracias.
y no habla español, sí, mi no cuento. Mi no cuento no habla español.
Que se acabó inocente.
Okay. This is driver, make a second go around.